This is lesson 42 for course 1, renaming fractions by multiplying by 1. So what we normally do with a fraction is we reduce it. Now what we're doing is we are making it bigger. So we're actually finding equivalent fractions is what we're doing. Okay, so your first question is write a fraction equal to half, but that has a denominator of 20. So we have no idea what that numerator is. How we do this is we multiply both top and the bottom by the same number, just like we do when we're reducing. Okay, when you're reducing, you divide by both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. When you are finding equivalent fractions, you are timesing the top and the bottom by the same number. So how we figure this one out is we say, okay, we have 2 goes into 20. Well, what do I have to times 2 by to make 20? Well, I can use my multiplication chart and I can find out, or I can just know that 2 times 10 is 20, which means if I have a half, I need to times it by, and this is where the by 1 applies. Remember, 2 over 2 equals 1, right? 100 over 100 equals 1 because you have 100 pieces of something and 100 pieces of those pieces are shaded in. So if I had to times 2 by 10, my fraction is 10 over 10, because whatever I do to the top, I have to do to the bottom. And 10 over 10 is 1, okay? 10 over 10 is equal to 1. So 2 times 10 is 20, and 1 times 10 is 10. So I have 10/20. This is an equivalent fraction to half. And I multiplied, to be able to get it, I multiplied my fraction by 1. Okay, because remember, as soon as you have the same numerator as your denominator, you actually make one whole. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, this time we're looking at a half, and we're making an equivalent fraction that has 6 as a denominator. Okay, so what do I times 2 by to get 6? Okay, again, I need to find the 1. What is the 1 I'm timesing half by? Well, I times, again, I can use my multiplications table, or I can just know that 3 times 2 makes 6, which means my 1 is 3 over 3, which is going to give me 2 times 3 is 6, 1 times 3 is 3, 3/6. Always remember that this that you're timesing by, okay, whatever is on the bottom has to be on the top for it to be one whole. Okay, always remember the rule, whatever you do to the top, you must do to the bottom and vice versa. That is renaming fractions by multiplying by 1 for course 1.